Today I am showing you a couple of optical illusions that students will enjoy during art education. Some of you may be wondering, what is an optical illusion? Optical illusions can use color, light, and patterns to create images that can be deceptive or misleading to our brains. The information gathered by the eye is processed by the brain, creating a perception that in reality does not match the true image. Perception refers to the interpretation of what we take through our eyes. Optical illusions occur because our brain is trying to interpret what we see and make sense of the world around us. Optical illusions simply trick our brains into seeing things which may or may not be real. Like in this photo here, we think that it's moving, but in all reality, it is not. In my first example, I will demonstrate how you can make an object look 3D through drawing. Today's example is using your own outline of your hand. This is a great activity as students already love tracing their hands. So first, I'm tracing around my hand. Don't mind my nails as I will have to fix those in the upcoming seconds. Now that I have finished doing that, I'm now going to take my ruler and draw lines from one edge of the paper to the next, but not going over the outline of my hand. I want to leave the inside of my hand without any lines and just a clear blank space. Once you have all your lines done, I'm just going through and erasing the lines that kind of went through onto my blank hand. And once I have finished doing that, I'm going to connect the lines from each side and have a little curve in the line. This is what makes the object look 3D. After you have connected all the lines, it should look something along the lines like this. This activity is great as it doesn't have to be perfect. If you add some color, it will enhance the look of your 3D drawing. In this next example, you're going to start with a straight line to the center of your paper. You're going to draw dots on this line different lengths apart from each other. When you have that finished, you're going to connect these dots using a curved motion with your pencil, as you can see me doing. You're going to do this all the way to the end of the line, and then you're going to do the same on the other side of the line. You want to make sure when you are continuing to connect these that you're going all the way down to the first drawn dot. This is very critical as you want each of these curved lines to connect with each other, but you don't want spaces in between each of the different bubbles that you are drawing. This is the end product of what it would look like once you have definition and color into it. Here are some other examples of optical illusions. Optical illusions are great to use in the classroom setting as it gets students interacting, communicating with each other, and gets them to discuss what they see and how they see it and why they see it. In this photo of the elephant, one may ask, how many legs do you see? I see 5. You're supposed to see 4. Not sure how they do that. And in this photo, some may see a young woman and some may see an elder woman. What do you see? Hope you enjoyed. For more ideas on teaching optical illusions in the classroom, visit the website on the screen. Thanks for watching! As this was my first attempt at using iMovie, I had many bloopers, but this one by far explained my experience. These are some other examples of optical illusions, like with this lady. There's 2 people you can see this. First, you may see an old lady